67. Custom welded e-bikes, go-karts and scooters, steel welding and delivering everything you need. Don't hesitate to text me. Everyone's staring when you come around. As soon as the wheels hit the ground, if you wanna ride, do what you like. You can find me on a vicious bike, doing deliveries day and night. Okay, deliveries and vicious bikes. 508-280-67. Hey, I thought I mentioned that if you need a van, text vicious bikes and I'll cape deliveries, man. Hey, I thought I mentioned that if you need a van, text vicious bikes and I'll cape deliveries, man. If you wanna ride, do what you like. You can find me on a vicious bike, doing deliveries day and night. Okay, deliveries and vicious bikes. 508-492-80-67.